Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the theme settings so you can act quickly. First, press Ctrl+K then Ctrl+T, or open the command palette and type theme to list options. Once done, make sure any theme extensions you want are installed and updated. Extensions provide curated color palettes. You should also back up your settings. JSON before editing, use settings sync or copy the file. This prevents loss and lets you revert. Now you're ready to select and preview themes immediately. Now you'll modify color keys directly so the editor matches your needs. Open Settings, JSON and add Workbench. Color customizations to override UI colors like Editor. Background and Activity Bar, Background. Next, use Editor. Token color customizations to change syntax, token colors, and semantic highlighting. Target scopes such as string, variable, keyword for precise control. Install helper extensions that show live previews and generate color. Finish by validating and exporting your theme so it's reusable. You should test contrast and accessibility, adjusting colors until tokens remain readable. Tools and high contrast checks help ensure compliance. Once satisfied, export the theme with a theme helper extension or package it using Yo code to share. If changes don't take effect, reload the window, verify your settings. JSON has correct JSON syntax, and disable conflicting color extensions. One of those is usually the culprit. If problems persist, revert to your backup and reapply changes stepwise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.